In this video, I will show you how to play games in Snapchat with friends. First of all, make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Then open Snapchat, go to the chat section, then click on the conversation with a friend with whom you want to play the game. Then, and right beside this photo icon, you will see a joystick icon. Click on it. Then you can choose multiple games from here. For example, let's choose darts right now. Now you can do your turn. Once you're done with your turn, click on send option. It will be sent to your friend and your friend will get your turn option there. They will click on it, they will do the same, play the game and send it back to you, and the game can continue like that. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you.